Improve your affiliate marketing outlook with these tips and tricks. There have been many people who have attempted to become successful in affiliate marketing but did not take the time to gather information about it before jumping in with both feet. If you take the time to learn the following information, you are sure to find greater success in your experience. Work with affiliate marketing partners that make your part in the business easy. Good affiliates will give you ready-made advertisements, links and endorsements. Resources like this make it easy to deliver eager customers to your affiliate. They make money for you and your affiliate. A good affiliate will offer you the tools to turn a profit for both of you. Only choose to work with companies that offer current statistics. You want to be able to keep up with all the methods being used to bring in sales. Data that is out of date may not give you the accurate information you need to adjust your methods to the ones your customers use the most. Affiliate marketing entails many tasks, some hard and some easy. You should always tackle the hardest and longest tasks first if you want to be productive. By doing this, you will be able to coast through the easier tasks, ending your workday on a good, strong note. Plus, handling the tougher tasks first allows you to get more of them done per day. Look around for a mentor in affiliate marketing if you are not sure how to approach the business. There are thousands of successful affiliates out there who will lend you advice to get you started. You are not their competition at this point, so most are happy to help out. Check around the blogosphere and find experts in the field. Now that you have taken the time to learn a bit of information about affiliate marketing, you have a good head start in making a success of your venture. You are sure to find several ways to incorporate the information from this video into your affiliate marketing plan and succeed. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.